can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, ETH, Ethereum, currently trading around $2,360. The last 7 days have seen Ethereum rally up by around 10%. We've seen Ethereum go from as low as $2,152, getting to as high as $2,400. We're expecting higher prices for Ethereum. In this video, take a look at 3 reasons why Ethereum price has lagged behind Bitcoin in 2024. VanEck, StoneX, Analysts pegged Ethereum price upside at 12K to 22K, and base roll-ups pitch as fixed to Ethereum incentive amidst L2 fee debate. And take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, which is down in Goblin Town. As all coin market gets ready for a big pump to end the year, can Ethereum get to new all-time highs, or are we having a relief rally that will eventually head us back to Goblin Town? Let's get down to business. Ethereum has had a wonderful year. We've seen Ethereum trade from where it was, we've seen Ethereum go from where it was trading in September of 2023 around the $1,500 level. We've seen Ethereum rally up to as high as $4,100, and even now that sentiment is bad in the market, Ethereum is still up 52% from last year. But guys, right now the vibes are down in the cryptocurrency market. Right now sentiment is really low. There's fear in the market. That fear has lasted for months on end. I believe we're heading towards grid, but it's going to be a slow process. The last 3 months has seen us at least touch grid once, but we have stayed majorly in fear. Why are we staying majorly in fear? It's because prices are not going up, guys. So the most important thing people want in the market is price going to higher values. And anytime you see price stagnating, or anytime you see price trending downwards, it leads to more fear in the cryptocurrency market. And now a lot of talks have been going around why Ethereum is not performing as well as Bitcoin. We've seen Bitcoin go from $15,000 to as high as $73,000. But Ethereum, that has been known to always outperform Bitcoin, is slowly behind Bitcoin in this cycle. Why is that the case? Ethereum fell to a 40-month low in its BTC. Ethereum fell to a 40-month low in its ETH BTC pair, and that suggests that the downside is set to continue. Terrible news always shows at the bottom of the market. Anytime you see news articles like this, guys, historically, more times than not, we are very close to the bottom. Even though Ethereum has trended lower against Bitcoin in the last 90 days, I'm very optimistic, expecting higher prices for Ethereum very soon. Ethereum is down 34% over the last 90 days, underperforming Bitcoin, whose price has dropped by only 15% over the same period. And the decline in the ETH BTC ratio indicates a lack of demand for Ethereum, with investors preferring Bitcoin over Ethereum. To put this in context, US spot Bitcoin ETF has largely been more successful since their approval by the SEC on January 10 than spot Ethereum ETF, and Bitcoin market dominance continues to rise. That's why we might be seeing Ethereum performing poorly. Bitcoin accounts for more than 50% of the cryptocurrency market, and if we see Bitcoin dominance rising, we might see Ethereum dominance still having a poor time. That doesn't mean Ethereum is not pumping. Take a look at what Ethereum has done from the bottom of the bear market. Ethereum has had its own time in the sun. From November 2022, I've seen Ethereum rally up by around 280%. And if you want to be very thorough, from the bottom of this bear market for Ethereum at the $873 level, Ethereum has rallied up by around 336%. In contrast, Bitcoin, the king of the market, from the bottom where Bitcoin got to in November of 2022, Bitcoin has rallied up by around 371%. So you see, from that perspective, Ethereum is not really underperforming against Bitcoin. Market participants are slow to remember. They are easy to forget that the market doesn't just go back 1 year or 2 years. The market is a long, ongoing story. The crypto market has been here for 10+ years right now. So before you make an assertion, go back in time and see what has been happening. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin over time. Right now, I think it's time for Bitcoin to outperform Ethereum. But again, that swing in pendulum might change very quickly. Ethereum's on-chain metrics are sluggish. Measuring the number of active addresses on the network provides a quick and reliable indicator of the effective use of blockchain and the demand from the underlying token. And right now, we are seeing a lot of fraud going around the Ethereum ecosystem. A lot of people are switching to Solana. A lot of people are still staying on Bitcoin. Ethereum had that one thing going for it where it performed better than Bitcoin. It was the strongest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market. But right now, we are seeing Solana take over that mantle. We are seeing Solana performing better than Ethereum. And we are seeing it also show that it can be a leader in the space. But positive spin for Ethereum. I see Ethereum still heading back to $3,200 very, very soon. We have seen this sort of situation happen in the cryptocurrency market way back in 2022. We saw Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin from the 13th of March 2022 to when it got to its 200-day moving average. We saw Ethereum rallying up by around 39% in that time frame. For context sake, let's see what Bitcoin was doing in March of 2022. From the 13th of March, how did Bitcoin perform till the end of March? In that time frame, we saw Bitcoin rallying by only 27%, and I believe we're in that similar conditions right now where we see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin in this relief rally. So don't be shocked, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you see Ethereum pumping towards $3,200, don't get too excited. Don't get too carried away. I don't think we're seeing new all-time highs anytime soon. If we see that rally towards 3,200, that has been a long target for us on this channel. That will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. And if you see that rally happening, meme coins are pumping to higher values, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market, the vibes are bubbling, everybody thinks we're going to the moon, guys, that will be a red flag, and that will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. On the bullish perspective, Vanex, Tonex analysts peg Ethereum price upside at $12,000 to $22,000. The Ethereum network could generate $66 billion in free cash flow from transactions by fee in 2030. That's what Vanek is saying. Ethereum spot price could potentially rise between $12,000 and $22,000 by the end of the decade in an upside scenario, according to two estimates from analysts. But remember, guys, 2030 is far ahead of us. We can probably even see 2 bear markets and 2 bull markets before 2030. So yes, very long time Ethereum is bullish. We can see 12,000, 22,000, and even of the perspective that Ethereum can probably even go to as high as $50,000 in the future. But remember, long-term perspective, medium-term perspective, short-term perspective. And the long-term perspective, the whole crypto market is very bullish. I think we're going to the moon. But short-term right now, Ethereum looks like it's underperforming. And we have so many problems in the Ethereum ecosystem, from the division to the lack of incentives of people using the network to maybe meme coins, because we've seen meme coins work for the Solana network before meme coins were known to be on the Ethereum network. Base rollup pitched as a fake to Ethereum incentive amidst L2 fee debate. Some commentators knows that base rollup aligns incentive between Ethereum layer 2 and its base layer validator, which could result in a deflationary issuance yet again. Ethereum has been getting inflationary over the last few months. We have been seeing the supply of Ethereum increasing. So maybe this is a solution that will see the supply reducing again. Maybe this is a solution that will see the price of Ethereum catch up to the price of Bitcoin. Ethereum has struggled to get to new all-time highs. We have seen Bitcoin stroll to that new all-time high. Even the general market has been struggling ever since then. I will not be shocked to see Ethereum take back that mantle and start outperforming Bitcoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you take a look at Ethereum's dominance in the cryptocurrency market, it currently sits at the 14% region. This is the lowest we have seen Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market since July of 2022. So since when Ethereum was trading around $800, we have not seen Ethereum dominance this low in the cryptocurrency market. Guys, do you see everything lining up for Ethereum to pump to higher prices? I see that happening very soon. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum dominance getting back to the 16% region. That's a 20% move for Ethereum dominance. And guys, these moves can happen very quickly. These moves can happen at the blink of an eye. Before you know what's happening, the whole market can get bullish. The whole market can get hyper active, and you will see altcoins pumping to higher prices. And Ethereum has been known to be the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. The last 1 month has not been kind to Ethereum. It's down 11%. If you go on a monthly time frame, you see some other altcoins are doing way better than that. Fetch 66% up, Phantom 40%, Aave up 60%, Run up 22%. So Ethereum has lost that leadership in the altcoin market, but maybe just one final time we will see Ethereum pumping to the moon. Let's look at Ethereum's price chart one more time. Guys, Ethereum on a long-term perspective, as I told you guys, is very bullish. Van Eck see it getting to $12,000, $22,000. I see it getting above that, but I still see headwinds ahead of us. I still see us going below this 200-week moving average. I see Ethereum trading as low as $500 in the coming days and in the coming weeks. But before we start going that low, before we see Ethereum trading that low, before you guys crucify me, I still see us having one final rally that'll get everybody interested. Right now, the bears are in charge. Right now, the normal market participants want to bet that Ethereum is going down, and I don't think it will go down. I think we'll first have a rally to higher prices and then a dump to Goblin Town. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you bullish on Ethereum just the way I am? Or are you bearish with the rest of the market? Ethereum is down 11%. Over the last 1 month, it's down 2%. Over the last 1 week, from a yearly perspective, it's still up 44%. So that's something to write home about. Will you be buying more Ethereum? Will you be selling more? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.